A die rolled, it has 6 outcomes there. So a die thrown for n times or n dice thrown simultaneously, then the number of total outcomes are 6 power n. By using this principle, now we solve some problems. Here the given problem, if two dice are rolled simultaneously and counts are added, a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument? That is the problem here given. So, here two dice are rolled. Two dice rolled means now the total number of possible outcomes, total number of possible outcomes is 6 power 2, that is nothing but 36. Okay, now the possible outcomes are observing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So on that top they will be look as 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Otherwise they will be look as 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Otherwise, next 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Next, if 4 2 observed means they 1, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. If 5 2 observe 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Next, if 6 wise observed, they were 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So total these observations are on that top face looking. Now here the sum of the counts on the top face to the probability each one is 1 by 11 given. So now that one finding. So sum of the tops and the possibilities number of possibilities and the probability. So first the sum of the counts of the top is 1 1, that means that will be started from 2. So here sum of the tops is 2, the possible outcomes are only 1 1. So it is one time only there. So its probability is nothing but 1 by 36. If there we taken the possibilities of sum of the tops is 3. So if that will be taken as 3, now sum of the tops 3 when looking 2 1 1 2. So 1 2 2 1 are on the top faces, they are 2 times there, that means the probability is 2 by 36, number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. 2 by 36 means it is nothing but 1 by 18. If the sum of the tops is 4, then the possible outcomes are 1 3. Next 2 2 and 3 1. These are the possible outcomes. They are 3. So the total probability is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that is 3 by 36. So 3 ones 3 12s, that is nothing but 1 by 12. If top of the faces is 5, so 5 when it will be looking 1 4 2 3 3 2 and 4 1 2. So 1 4 2 3 3 2 and 4 1 2. So they are 4 times there, that means favorable outcomes are 4. So the probability is 4 by 36. So 4 by 36, the simplification is 1 by 9. Next, if the sum of the top faces is 6, when it has 6 chances there, 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 and 5 1. 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 and 5 1. So they have 5 chances. So the probability is 5 by 36. Next, if the sum of the terms is 7, then the probabilities are 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 6 1. 1 6 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 and 6 1. So they are total how many? 6. So favorable outcomes are 6. So the probability is 6 by 36, that is nothing but 1 by 6. So its probability is 1 by 6. Now if we taken the sum of the tops is 8, then it has a chance 2 6 3 5 4 4 5 3 and 6 2. So the possibilities are 2 6 3 5 4 4 5 3 and 6 2. So they are 5. So the favorable outcomes are 5. So its probability is nothing but 5 by 36. Next, if the sum of the tops is 9, so how many have 9 is the chance, that is 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4 and 6, 3. 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4 and 6, 3. So they are 4 times there. So the possibilities are 4. So the probability is 4 by 36, that is nothing but 1 by 9. Next, the sum of the probabilities, that means sum of the tops of the dice are 10. They have the chance 4, 6, 5, 5 and 6, 4. So the probabilities have the chances, possibilities 4, 6, 5, 5 and 6, 4. They are 3 times there. So the number of possibilities favorable outcomes is 3. So its probability is 3 by 36, that is nothing but 1 by 12. Next, if the sum of the tops is 11, they have the chance 5, 6 and 6, 5. So 5, 6 and 6, 5, they are 2 times. So the favorable outcomes are 2. So its probability is 2 by 36, that is nothing but 1 by 18. Okay, now sum of the tops is 12. Then the probabilities for possibilities are 6, 6, one time only there. So the probability is 1 by 36. Now here if we observe the probabilities, they are 1 by 36, 2 by 36, 3 by 36, 4 by 36, 5 by 36, 6 by 36, 5 by 36, 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36 and 1 by 36. But here a student argues the each of the probability is 1 by 11. But here any case 1 by 11 is not came. That means his argument is wrong. So each probability of sum of the tops of die is not 1 by 11. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. Getting each sum from 3 to 5 separately, sum of the tops add dot is prime. So here if here given 2 dice that are thrown, so 2 dice thrown, then total number of possible outcomes for one die 6. So here 2 dice, that is nothing but 6 power n, that is equal to 6 square equal to 36, and the 36 possibilities are here already we written, that are 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 and 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 and 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 and 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and the 6 6. Now in that 5 will come up at least 1 and 5 will not come up either time asked. So here if we observe the second one, so 5 will come up at least once. So how many times it will be looking? So here 5 horizontal vertical observed means here 6 times, here 6 times, total 12. But here if we observe this 5 comes 2 times, that means the number of favorable outcomes are 11. So 5 will come at least once is 11. So number of favorable outcomes So probability of five will come on top. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. That is nothing but 11 by 36. Now the first question's answer, 5 will not come up either time. So in that 36, the 11 times 5 will coming. That means 5 will not come on top is 36 minus 11 is nothing but 25. So probability of five will not comes on top. P of E bar is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 25 and the total number of possible outcomes are 36. So if we observe these were by complementary principle, so P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. So P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. So here P of E is 11 by 36. So that one we observed 36 once 36 minus 11 is 25. So 25 by 36. P of E bar is equal to. So in any case we get the same result. Now the third question is asked one getting each sum from 3 to 5 separately. So on that tops if we observe means we have to get 3, 4, 5. So getting sum as 3 that are 1, 2, 2, 1 for 4 on top 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1 5 are 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Now here if we observed 3 on that 2 times looking, 4 on that 3 times looking, 5 on that 4 times looking. That means sum of these numbers is 9. So number of favorable outcomes is 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. So the probability of getting sum three, 4 and 5 on top face is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 9 and total number of possible outcomes are 36. So 9 by 36 to simplification doing we get 1 by 4. Next, the fourth one is given sum of the tops is prime. So sum of the top is prime. So here sum of the tops doing we get 2 to 12 numbers. So from that 1 2 to 12 the prime numbers are 3 5 7. So 3 5 7 how many times coming once we taken means that is enough. So already we know 3 will be coming 2 times 1 2 2 1 and 5 will be coming. So 2 is also a prime number. So 1 1 also coming. Next 5 will come 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1 and 7 will come 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 1 6 and 6 1 and 11 is also a prime. So 11 will come 5 6 and 6 5 2. Now here these were how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So here number of favorable outcomes (15). So the probability of getting on the top sum of the dots is prime. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that is 15 by 36. So that is nothing but 5 by 12.